So you want to have two clients in FiveM, you want to have debug as an overlay, and you also want to know how to enable and disable said overlay. All right, follow along. Copy your FiveM shortcut twice. On the first one, go into properties, add the following, look at the top of the video, I will copy it in there and also have it in the description. On your secondary client, you do basically the same thing, but you also add the -cl2 in the mix, all right? When you've done that, you can actually start both clients. When you start the secondary client, it will probably ask you to log in. You can just close that down and connect to your development server. In your console, you can add the following. The first one will show you everything from the console as an overlay in the left side of your screen. The second command will show you only scripts output. So basically if a script is crashing or spitting out debug information. And the third one will disable it. These commands will only work in debug mode, okay? It will not work if you started without debug. So if you enabled script output as an overlay and you start FiveM normally, you will not be able to disable it. You have to restart FiveM into debug mode to disable it. All right? So that's how you do that. Have a great out there.